So, um, Ivan, I think this graph is incomplete. Yeah, but I will draw another graph again when we will be doing some questions. So this is incomplete because you can see more about the supply and the demand of oranges. Yeah, the heading is incomplete. Okay. Yeah, but we will see when we do. Yeah. So yeah, but I think the structure of the graph, yeah, I think it is complete because here I see the y-axis we have the price in rands, the x-axis we have the quantity of oranges in kgs. Yeah, you need to show your quantity, your quantities, quantity, measurement, something like that. Yeah. So if it is in kgs, show in kgs. Liters, show in liters, but most of the time is in kgs. Bags, yeah, kgs, bags. So be careful, right? If it is the quantities of oranges, sure, okay, in kgs or in bags. So the y-axis, that's where there is the price, our price. The price should be in rands. Okay. So let's see. We have our graph here. We have the demand um, the demand curve. The demand curve is this one that is in orange. Yeah, this one that has the orange color, right? You can see the orange one again. Then we have the supply curve is this green line. Usually there is these indicators there show okay, orange is demand curve, um, the green one is the supply curve, right? So at the center we have the equilibrium, right? Yeah, then we will see the definition of the equilibrium, or what is the equilibrium. Let's go to the second page so that we can know what is the equilibrium, what is the equilibrium price. Okay, so we'll come back to explain this. But what I need you to know right now is that this is our graph. Okay, this is how you should be able to see it, right? So at the equilibrium, we supplied, okay, we supplied 250 kg, okay, and the amount that was demanded was 250 kg. Okay, our customers demanded what 250 kg, and Tina suppliers we supplied okay 250 kg. There was no surplus, there was no shortage. That's the equilibrium. That's where the demand is equal to the supply. So, at what price? We sold this 250 kg, I get oranges, 1,250 rand. That is our equilibrium price, right? So, above this equilibrium, above the equilibrium, we have the surplus. Okay, we have the surplus because that's where this supply curve, okay, is above the demand curve, starting from here 250 going upwards. Okay, that's where the supply is above. The supply curve is above the demand curve, right? Captured? Sharp. But don't worry, I will explain it when we are going to do questions. Yeah, past papers. I will explain it in a very clear manner. Don't worry. Just keep absorbing this information. Then yeah, we'll see you. You will get it. Don't worry. Then under the equilibrium, we have the shortage.